Hello guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how to publish app on Google Play Store. So let's be started. Now open Google Play Console account and you get like this type option here. So after done this all steps, click on create app, then you get here option create app option. Okay, click on here and again you need to fill up all the details here. So first I need add here your app name. So I have my all details here. You can put your all details. Okay, I click on app name and paste it here. Again click on default language. You can select your default language according to your country. So my country is India. I also select the EN US. You can also select EN US, no problem. I just select EN US. Okay, and app or game. So my app is app only, not game. So I select app and my app is free. So select free app, free, and declaration, click on both option and click on create app. You need just follow these all steps for publishing app on Google Play Store. Okay, so then you get this dashboard option. Okay, start testing now. No, don't do anything, and you need to just set up your app option here. Okay, so just expand this option, view task. Click on view task and you need to fill up all the steps here step by step. So I just open app access option and click on all functionality available without a special function and click on save. Again going to dashboard option, click on second option, click on ads. If your app have ads, then click on yes, if not then no. So my app have ads, so I add a yes option and click on save. Again click on content rating, start questionnaire, then fill up your email ID here. So my email ID is this. I copy this my email ID and paste your email ID here and select category according to your application. If your app is game, then click on game, and if your application is your any social media type, then social media. Otherwise click on last steps and click on next, and these all option is click on no. If you want to read this all, then you can read, otherwise no issue. Click on all option is no option. Click on save now and click on next and submit. Again going in dashboard option, target audience, click on target audience 18 and over and click on next. Again no, my app is not appeal to children, so click on no option and click on save. Again going in dashboard option, news app, click on news app. If your application is news, click on yes. If not, then click on no, then click save option. Again going in dashboard, COVID-19 contact tracing option, click on last option and save. Again going in dashboard option and click on data safety, click on next, and your app is share any type of requirement data. If yes, then click on yes, otherwise click on no. You get this go to privacy policy. You need to first add your privacy policy URL. If you have no privacy policy URL, then you can get the option in description box. You can create your own privacy policy. Okay, click on save. Again going in app content, click on start, next, and click on no. Again click on next and save. This step is done now. Again going in app content, you can check this all app content option is fill up already. Again going in dashboard option and click on select an app category. You need to fill up all stored setting option here. So your app category type, select your app category type. My app category type just a personalization option, so I just select personalization. It's a depend on your app, so according to your app select your category. Okay, And also category according you add this tag. So my personalization category, so just click on apply and save. Before saving, I need just add email address. Again copy my email id and paste it here. You can also add your phone number and website also. This is optional for you. You can, if you want to add, then you can add, otherwise no issue. Then again click on save option. Okay, now it's done. Now click on dashboard and set up your store listing part. This is the main important part, so I just going in set up your store listing. You can see this. You need to add your short description, long description, and icons and screenshot also, all details here. So I just add this. This is my short description. You need to add your own short description, app name, and long description according to your application. So I add my short description here and click on full description. So you need to add your own full description. If you have your first app, or if you are new, then you can add just a 2 to 3 line only. Don't use much more. This is my long description. I just paste it here. According to your app, you can add this. Okay, this is done now. Now you need to add your app icon and app screenshots also. So I add this. First I correct now. Further any query, then contact with us. Okay, this all done. Fine. This red part, just click on right click and favorite spellings mismatch. You can just correct this all. This also. Okay, fine. You can see this all is correct now. Okay. Okay, that's fine. App icon, and I need just add your app icon. Its size is 512 and 512. Then this is my app icon location. I just paste this, and this is my app location. Click on open. If you want to change your app name, then you can just change this app icon name. I add my app name here in my app logo. Okay, click on open, then upload this here, your app icon, and again you need to add featured icon. Featured icon size is 5. You can see this. My logo is set here. Again I need to featured graphics image. So you can create your own featured graphics, unique featured graphics. Okay, so you can add from Canva. I use my Canva for creating this. You can see this. Then click on download. If your size is not correct, then you need to first correct this size. So I use Paint. This is my image. I upload this in Paint. Click on crop, and this size is very large, so I need to add set up this and 1024 and 500. This is height and width size. This is perfect now. Okay, so I just save this. Click on file, save as. Name just you can add according to you. I add banner.png, and location just I add in my app here. So add this. Okay, fine. Okay, again I going in here. Click on cut and featured graphics. Click on upload, and this is my banner image. Click on open, and its size you can see this 1024 and 500. This is correct size. If your size is not correct, then this is not uploaded. Okay, and next step is screenshot. So I go down. This is, you can see this phone and phone screenshot. You can create your own screenshot from this website. This website URL link is in given also video description. You can see this. Okay, then you can generate your own screenshot from here also. Click on open. This is my screenshot. I upload my screenshot here. Click on again upload second screenshot. You can upload total 2 to 8 screenshot. That means a minimum 2 screenshot and maximum 8 screenshot you can upload here. And total 5 screenshot I have. So I uploaded finally. Okay, you can see this tablet. If you want to tablet a screenshot, then you can upload, otherwise no issue. This is optional for you. Click on save now. Again go to dashboard option. You can see this steps is done now. Okay, now our last steps is, click on, just go last steps, publish your app Google Play. Click on here, select country, click on add country or region. Country, select all and add country or region. Click on add. Total 177 country, you can see this. Okay, click on again dashboard option. Go to some last option. Again click on create a new release. Click on create new release option. And now I need to .av file for our Play Store. So .av file, how you can get this? I just see here. This is my location for keys. So I just generate this. Go to build option and click on next option. Again go to create new folder option. And this is step for .av file. Okay, this is location for keys. I just add keys name keys, and you need to add password, total 6-digit plus password you can add here, and Alice name according to you can add this, and all information fill. Now click on OK. Click on remember password, and this is folder for encrypted key store path. So I just copy this. I want to add here. So open this folder. I want to add this, so I just paste here. Click on here and OK. This is location for encrypted key and export path, and key store path is that. Click on next. Click on release and finish. This is step for generate .av file. If you want more videos about this, then you can get a video description link also. I have given all. Click on locate option. This is .av file. Okay, just copy this location. I just copy this. Again go in upload option and paste it here, my location. Okay, .av file, select and open. Okay, fine. This is release note according to you. You can add according to your release notes, what you want in your release notes. Okay, so this is my first step. I just add my short description. Okay, you can add also. In release note I add my short description. You can add according to your application, no issue. I correct this spelling now. And this is, you can get one app upload bundle. Okay, my AAV file uploaded finally successfully. So this is my release notes. Okay, fine, done. Don't do anything now. Click on save option. Again click on review release, and you can see like this. Again click on start rollout and rollout. Yeah, you can see this. Finally I have published my application in my Play Store. So after done this, you can just click on all apps. If you get like this option, draft and update status is in review. This is final steps, then you get this. Okay, after publishing this application you get in Play Store, and for live on Play Store it's take approximate time 2 week approx. If your app is first time, then this is takes 2 week. Okay, if you have already 2 to 4 app or approximately 5 app already, then it's not take more time. That's just 24 hours. So this is a step for you. Thank you.